Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to get the newly updated Perplexity Pro AI for absolutely free for up to 2 whole years as a student. This is through their amazing and easy to utilize Perplexity Student Referral Program. Normally, if you are a student, you're able to get 1 month of Perplexity Pro by confirming your student identity. But after watching this tutorial, I will show you how to get this for up to 24 months at over a $480 evaluation. Once we have made an account and logged in, which I have made a tutorial before previously on, tap on your profile icon, click on Pro Perks, and here you will find your personalized referral offer under promotions that allow you to get up to 24 months of free Pro just by referring friends. Click on View Offer to open this offer up, and you will get your personal link with your referral code. When you refer someone, they will get a free month of Pro because you and your friend are both using your school ID. Keep doing this with 24 different people and you could get 2 full years of Perplexity Pro AI. At first, the number at the bottom will show 0, but as each friend joins, it should go up, and with each number is another free month that will apply to your account automatically. This is by far the easiest method to get this much Perplexity AI Pro for free. You should absolutely abuse it. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe to Howard's How-Tos for more easy tutorials just like this one.